Hi there, it's Tony again, and what I've noticed going through this accident claims niche in the last few weeks that we've been building the campaign with the Maverick SEO blueprint was that there was a lot of sites ranking on page one with just Blogspot websites, just simple little sites like this. So I spent a few hours going through Fiverr.com finding people who could build these kind of sites, and this is what I've found here. The guy's done this for me. It cost only $5. Now what I did notice with the sites that was ranking, let me just find the actual rank because it was quite significant. I thought this was really interesting. It was workplace accident claims, which is not an easy keyword at all, but what I found was that he was ranking really high just with the Blogspot. If he's still there, let me just see if I can find him. No, it might have been just claim without the S. Let me just find this. Yeah, here, workplace accident claim. So it's a little bit less competitive than the plural version. But you can see he's on page one, and if you go and take a look at his site, it's got an interesting strategy. Now, how he's getting his links I'm not sure, but basically what he's doing is he's pulling information in from eSign articles, and this looks really stupidly simple, and I like things like that. And it's even got information about US law, and he's ranking on page one of google.co.uk, which I found interesting. But look at here what he's doing. He's got the main keyword more or less in every article. He's only got 5 articles in the site, and so I thought this was worth doing this week along with doing the private blog network things. So I did spend a few hours going through Fiverr.com, and what I've done is I've ordered a couple of these, and I'll see how that turns out. But it does need you to go in and add some more articles. For my own campaign I've got 26 original articles. I'm sure I can find 4 or 5 that fit into each of these categories, and I'll actually try and take this guy out or get above him on page one using a Blogspot site, and I'll put AdSense on it as well. So I will try and get that done this week, but I might not, because I just heard it's my birthday tomorrow, and Deanna's taking me away for a day somewhere, so that's almost like a day I'm not going to be here. But really interesting strategy. I thought it was worth mentioning this week, and I think it's definitely worth testing and seeing what we can do with this. And if you can put AdSense on it, put some sharing buttons, put some links to your main site, it's a pretty decent strategy to earn you some money and to get your main money site ranking as well. So put this together with the private blog networks that we're going to cover this week, and it's quite a powerful strategy. And these kind of networks, if you build up maybe 10 or so Blogspot sites like this, and basically all you need to really do to get these ranking is do some blog directory links, do some web directory links, and some social bookmarking and stuff like that. And I'm sure it doesn't take that much to get these kind of sites ranking, but we will try and reverse engineer it. If not this week, then definitely next week. But definitely a good strategy. It's worth looking into, and if he's ranking with that little site there for quite a decent keyword in my opinion, then there's something in this strategy. So worth mentioning. I hope you got some value from this one, and I'll see you in the next video.